Yeah, I know this video is a bit longer than usual, but you're stuck at home, you have nothing to do, so you will watch till the end. I'm threatening you, you will watch till the end. Hi! Remember me? Okay, so first of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Elephant? Thanks. And I'll stop talking shit, I'll stop beating around the bush and cut right to the chase and probably stop making these stupid puns. Probably not. Anyways, so hi, long time no see. This video is going to be a bit different because it's going to be a start to finish making of a sketch, because I really wanted to show you the entire process of making a Vanchmul Jindani sketch since a long time, because I do the graphics myself, I do everything myself from start to finish, everything. Even the music you hear in the videos is produced by me. So I just wanted to show you the efforts that go behind a sketch. And so yeah, I'm going to make a video from scratch now. I'll show you the process. So we are making an Among Us sketch now because the game is wildly popular and I have many jokes about Among Us. And because this video you're watching right now was an impulse decision, half of the script is already written. So I'll just continue the rest of the script, finish it, and what I do is I get jokes all the time. So I record the jokes in a voice memo or I note them down somewhere because I easily tend to forget jokes. So I'll just complete the script, I'll show you the script making process. And yeah, do mind that script making and intelligent comedy writing is pretty hard. Sometimes it takes more than a couple of days, sometimes even a week to write a script. So with that in mind, yeah, let's go, let's do the script work. I don't know why I did that. Hi, welcome to day 2. Today is shoot day. Yesterday was writing day and I brainstormed, gathered all my jokes and completed the script. I once ran the script by my team, Swayam and Hitansh, and they sometimes help me with the comedic aspect because they are viewers, they know what the viewers like and don't like. So I ran the script by them, they approved, they felt the script was very funny, very good, nice. So now today is shoot day. And shooting requires 3 different types of planning: location planning, angle planning, and shoot planning. Wardrobe planning as well, but I know what I'm going to wear in this video, the different colors. But do mind that shooting a sketch is not as easy as people think. It's especially more difficult with 6 characters in it. So there's a tad bit of a problem here. I bought these 2 knives, a butter knife and this actual weapon thingy, to be used as the imposter knife. Now there is a scene where I have to flip the knife and like walk in style, just acting like a killer. I can't do it with this weapon. If I do it, I'll die. I'll die. I don't want to, but I'll have to use this butter knife as the imposter weapon. Shit, man. What? Which killer carries a butter knife with them? Hi. Okay, this lighting sucks. Okay, no, I'll leave it on. So first of all, I'm shooting this 5 days after the video has been uploaded. because punctuality. And I must say the video did pretty well, pretty good. So yeah, after the shoot part has been done, I take the SD card and I take my SD card reader and I plug it. I'm a butterfingers person, you know. So I plug it in my iPad then, and it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to get imported, all the clips to get imported, because I shoot in 4K and the mic, the shotgun mic and all, so the footage quality is really big. So it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to get transferred, and the clips get transferred, the raw footage gets transferred to a separate folder on my Files app. The folder is named Raw Footage in Files app, and after that, okay, so I'm sure that the editing process will be really boring and all for you, but I'm still going to explain it in brief. So I import all the clips from the Files app, as I said, and I use a file link, kind of a profile, and I have programmed the Files app to automatically reformat all the clips, because sometimes the audio levels, the audio specs are down and everything. So I have programmed it. All this technical stuff will be boring. So yeah, I basically import all the clips into LumaFusion, my editing software, and then I go from like the first scene. I have the script open in side view from the iPadOS feature, and I go scene by scene. I take the clips, I cut them and put them together, transitions if there are any graphics, any animations, and then all of the music that I use in the video is my own. So yeah, I've made those music. So I take that from the Files app, I import all of that, and yeah, editing is quite boring. You won't enjoy that, but it is strenuous. Editing sometimes takes me like a couple of days, 2 days, yeah, 1 day minimum, and the maximum it's taken me is 3 days. And once what happened is the entire project, it took me 2.5 days, and the project got deleted because my editing app decided to fuck up. So yeah, editing is strenuous, editing is hard. And the worst part of editing is the first like an hour or two, because I have to sit through all the shit and cut out and select all the good, usable, all the actually needed footage. So that sucks, that absolutely sucks. So yeah, that's editing.